Hi everyone, it's me again, Ashley with GSHC Surrogacy and Egg Donation. Welcome back to Surrogacy School. Today, I'm going to go over why one of the very first steps of surrogacy is a psychological evaluation, because surrogacy isn't just about the body, it's about the heart and mind too. Now, don't stress. This isn't a test you pass or fail. It's all making sure you feel supported, grounded, and ready for the journey ahead. Here is what you can expect. First, you'll chat one-on-one with a licensed therapist for about an hour. They'll ask about your reasons for becoming a surrogate, how you handle stress, and the support system you have in place. Then, you'll have a written questionnaire that looks at how you manage emotions. Together, these help us see the full picture, and not just your physical health, but your emotional readiness too. Feeling nervous? Totally normal. But remember, this isn't about disqualifying you. If something comes up, like past anxiety or depression, you might just be asked to get a little extra support before moving forward. The goal is to set you up for success. And if you have a partner, they'll be part of the process too. Their support matters because this is a team effort. We understand how personal these conversations are, so you'll be glad to know that your psychological evaluation is protected by privacy laws. This evaluation is about making sure you feel emotionally prepared, that your home environment is strong, and that you're fully equipped to take on this incredible role. At GSHC, we'll be with you every step of the way. Thanks for stopping by.
GSHC.